Let's harvest potatoes. Let's just get this bit over with. Nothing ever comes up with these bits. Oh! Why am I out of breath? Oh my god. 3 potatoes came up when I pulled the plant. Oh, I saw one. She's small, but she got a lot of personality. Very bouncy, these potatoes. Save the best looking for last. Potato. Let's get down to business. Oh, right. This one was on top. It's weirdly cracked. And it's green, which means it's toxic. No toxic potatoes in my potato party. Let's dig a little bit more just because it's fun, isn't it? It's very fun. So many potatoes. Do you want to watch? Potato. Oh, that's quite a good one, isn't it? Oh my god, is that a potato? No, it's a stone. Is that a potato? Yeah, it's a little witty bitty potato. My potato castle. Whoa! Oh, that's decent. Whoa! Did you know that apparently touching dirt literally makes you happy? I mean, I believe it. Oh! I reckon finding potatoes makes you happier though. Yay! Ew! No, okay, that's not right. No, it's not sprouted or anything. It's just peeling. It's got sunburn or something. Not sure I want to eat that one. Sorry, potato. Oh God, I feel really guilty about that. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! 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 6, 7 potato, and this one's got a little antenna. Avalanche! Whoa! Oh my goodness! Look at this! Look at this! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 15, 16, 17. Does that count? Yeah, 26. 26 potato. Any more potato? Of course there is, because the potato gods love me. 1, 2, 3, 4, tell me that you love potato. Look at all those bloody hell potatoes. We are officially potatoed out. The final potato.